So guys, in today's video, I want to show you exactly my thought process on this trade I took that made me $5.2 including commissions. I really hope you gain a thing or two from this. Watch to the end because I'm going to be dropping gems on this video. As you can see from this chart, we were bearish, like heavily bearish, leaving imbalance at this point. This is an imbalance here. So my goal was that I mark my supply zone, the last bullish candle before they push lower. As you can see, there's a liquidity. Yeah, for me, this is a liquidity. When there's a push, pull back, then push. It's kind of like a liquidity called M15 liquidity. So as I saw this liquidity, after price tap into my zone, like tap into it, I then dropped to the 1 minute to look for this sell. Now let me show you that.
Looking at the 1 minute time frame, what I saw to take this trade was that we broke structure from this point. This was a very clean structure break, you get. So, and then we were bearish, like you can see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, break lower, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and price comes to shift bullish from this region here. This is a bullish shift of structure. So my strategy was to wait for this place to be swept, this liquidity to be swept. As you can see, price swept this liquidity like it was nothing. Price swept it, you can see it here. As price swept it, my goal was to enter a buy at this region. This region is where I enter my buy. As you can see, I put my entry here. Price pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down. Price played with me for a long time. Also, this line, I call it my liquidity taking. But normally, this is what I call my structural liquidity. You get, I was not giving fake TC here. So price chop me in this trade. Chop me, chop, 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 chop. Then from here, as I saw this push at uni, I was so happy that wow, I'm already in profit. So price then push, push, push. Then I close TP around here. Yes, around this region. Around there. I think I closed around here. Yes. But my initial target was here. Get this 15 minutes low. But because price was pulling back from here, I was then scared that price can retrace back up to hit my stop loss. So I closed from here. Was me I left it, I could have taken a 1.9 RR from this trade. You get, which is still good, sha. You get, the key or the goal is to just manage your trade in the optimal way. You get,